Do we really understand the value of time? In today's story, we'll see how understanding the value of time changed the young boy's life. This is the story of Ollie, a carefree young boy who loves to play and procrastinate. Ollie always says, "I'll do it tomorrow, let's have fun today." He never valued time, and his studies and responsibilities were suffering because of it. One day, Ollie's wise grandfather gives him a special watch as a gift. He says, "Ollie, this is no ordinary watch. It will teach you the value of time." Ollie laughs off his grandfather's words and wears the watch. Soon, Ollie realizes that the watch speeds up time whenever he wastes it. This startles him as his time begins to slip away faster and faster. One day, with exams approaching and no preparation done, the watch's hands are racing. Ollie feels the pressure as he sees his time running out. At that crucial moment, he realizes how much time he has wasted. He immediately starts studying and valuing his time. The watch slows down, almost as if rewarding him. This experience transforms Ollie's life. He learns that time is the most precious thing and never returns. He begins to use his time wisely, focusing on his studies and responsibilities. Do you value your time? Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more wisdom stories that teach important life lessons.